I have got an Asos beauty box to unbox. This was actually available for quite a while, but it is now sold out. But I was actually shocked how long it was available for. I thought it would have sold out straight away just because of one certain product. This cost me £25 and it was an absolute steal. It was an absolute bargain. I'm going to unbox it with using anyways, but I will link the Asos beauty box page down below because they still have quite a lot of beauty boxes available, but just not this particular one. Like I say, this one cost me £25. I'm so happy with what I got. So the first item in this box is a Asos honey infused lip oil. This is an 8ml size. I don't know actually how much these retail for. I've never really seen much about this brand, but I think they do hair oils. But I'll probably end up gifting this along or something like that, because I honestly don't need another lip product in my life. But it does look nice, mind you, doesn't it? This is how I end up with so many things though. But yeah, and it is in glazed plum. I might look up reviews, we will see. The whole reason I got this box was for this product alone, and this is for me. And this is the By Terry Brightening CC Serum. So I like the Litani tint thing. I actually thought that was this product. I thought that was what was in this box, but I read it wrong. But I'm still excited because I will try this because I love By Terry. It's very bougie, but I do love By Terry products. This is it here, and anyways, and it is a brightening CC serum. This product alone is worth about £60 odd. And yeah, I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy that I'm getting this. I'm going to try it. I did think it was the tanny spray thing that I like to use, like a tea tan spray thing. But I'm excited about trying that in anyways. Then we did get a Sol de Janeiro 62 perfume mist. It's the Chasor 62. It's a classic. Everyone and their mother loves this. I'm actually not the biggest fan of it, if I'm being greatly honest. Probably because I just smell it all the time. But yeah, we did get that. Then we got a little mini mascara, which I'm so excited about because I actually love this mascara. It is the Maybelline Sky High mascara, but it's just like in a small travel size. It's so cute and dinky. It will get used. I love mascara. And then something in the mini form of perfumes. If you know I love perfumes, and this perfume is beautiful. This is the Kylie Jenner Cosmic Little Mini Perfume. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's so cute, isn't it? I actually ended up buying this perfume for my niece for her birthday because it's that nice. I love this fragrance so much. Yeah, and I've just got a mini of it. How exciting is that? But yeah, and that is that Asos beauty box. This box, like I say, cost me £25. They have got some other ones that are absolutely amazing, and I nearly bought a couple. But yeah, I'll run quickly through what we got in this box again. We got the Cosmic by Kylie Jenner. That is a 5ml. The Sky High Mini Mascara. The Sol de Janeiro 62. And I think that's 30ml. Yep, 30ml. The By Terry Brightening CC Serum. And then the Asos Honey Infused Lip Oil. And that is everything I got in that Asos beauty box. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.